Kumusta na kayo mga kids? Ang topic natin ngayon para sa week 7, lesson 1 of 2, describing the set of integers and identifying real-life situations that make use of it. Halina kayo, samahan niyo ako sa ating bidyong ito. In this lesson, we will find out the set of integers and identify real-life situations that make use of it. In the number system, we have two categories, namely real numbers and imaginary number. Integers is classified as real numbers. What is integer? Integer are all natural numbers known as counting numbers. The negatives, opposites, additive inverse, and the number 0 is also included. Integer has no fraction or decimals. Let's take a look at the number line. 0 is neither negative nor positive. Yung mga numbers na nasa kaliwa ng 0, those are negative integers. At yung mga nasa kanan ng 0, yun naman ang tinatawag na positive integers. On the number line, opposite are the same distance from 0 but on different sides of 0. Tulad ng negative 3, ang layo nito mula sa 0 ay kasing layo din ng positive 3 mula sa 0. Additive inverse property of numbers that if you add opposites, your sum will be 0. Example, negative 4 plus positive 4 equals 0. Another, negative 5 plus positive 5 equals 0. Have some practice. Name a positive or negative number to present each situations. For number 1, a plane climbing to an altitude of 10,000 feet. That is positive number can be presented climbing or rising, therefore, that is positive 10,000. For number 2, taking 1,000 pesos out of the bank. Negative numbers can be presented taking out or withdrawing. So that is negative 1,000. For number 3, 200 feet below sea level. Negative numbers can represent values below or less than a certain values. So that is negative 200. Number 4, a hiker of climbing to an altitude 6,000 feet. Positive numbers can represent climbing or rising. So that is positive 6,000. 5. Spending 5,000 pesos. Negative numbers can represent spending or expenses. So that is negative 5,000. For learning task 1, name a positive or negative integer to represent each situation. Write your answer in your notebook. Number 1, saving 25 pesos. Saving, that is positive. So the answer is positive 25. Number 2, 6 feet below the ground. Below, that is negative. So the answer is negative 6. Ating sagutan ang learning task 2. Name a positive or negative integer to represent its situations. Write your answers in your notebook. Let us answer number 1. Gain 6% interest from bank deposit. Gain that is positive. Therefore, the answer is positive 6. Number 2. What is the sum of negative 3 and positive 3? Ito ay halimbawa ng additive inverse property. So, the answer is 0. Learning task 2. Name a positive or negative integer to represent its situations. Write your answer in your notebook. Number 6. What is the sum of negative 4 plus positive 6? Ating sagot, positive 2. Pag magkaiba ng sign, ang addition ay nagiging subtraction at ang gagamiting sign ay yung may mas malaking number. Kaya the answer is positive 2. Sa number 7, during pandemic, Mr. Lasso gained his weight from 66 kg to 80 kg. Gain that is positive, therefore the answer is positive 80. For learning task 3, arrange the following integers from least to greatest. Ito ang number line, pwede natin ito magamit. For number 1, positive 5, positive 3, positive 7, 0, negative 2, negative 1, and negative 7. Ating i-arrange from least to greatest. Mauna ang least, and that is negative 7. Then, atin ang i-arrange negative 2, negative 1, 0, positive 3, positive 5, and last, the greatest is positive 7. For number 2, negative 3, 0, positive 1, positive 12, negative 5, positive 2, and positive 8. At ang least ay ang negative 5. Atin ang i-arrange from least to greatest. Sunod, negative 3, 0, positive 1, positive 2, positive 8, at ang greatest number ay ang positive 12. Kaya nyo na ang number 3 hanggang 5. This time, let us arrange the following integers from greatest to least. Ito pa rin ang number line. Pero this time, ang least naman ang nasa huli at ang nasa unahan ay ang greatest. So, number 6, positive 8, negative 3, 0, positive 1, positive 6, negative 4, and negative 2. Ang greatest number or greatest integer is positive 8. Atin ang i-arrange from greatest to least. Sunod, positive 6, positive 1, 0, negative 2, negative 3, at ang least ay ang negative 4. For number 7, positive 1, negative 3, 0, positive 12, negative 5, positive 4, and positive 11. At ang greatest integer is positive 12. Atin ang i-arrange from greatest to least. Ang sunod ay ang positive 11, positive 4, positive 1, 0, negative 3, at ang least ay ang negative 5. Para sa learning task 4, identify the following expression. Write integers or not integers in the given expression below. For number 1, negative 2 plus positive 3, those are integers. For number 2, 245 thousandths, that is not integer. For items 6 to 10, let us answer number 6. 1/2 plus 3/4, those are not integers. For number 7, -5/6, that is not integer. Para sa learning task 5, arrange and identify the following numbers or expression on each designated column. Ito ang mga designated columns: integers, fractions, and decimals. Sagutan natin ang ilang mga numbers, ilagay natin sa kanilang designated column. -3, that is integer. 1/2, yan ay fraction. 3 and 1,416 10,000s, yan ay decimal. 0, that is integer. -1/3, that is fraction. 225,000s, yan ay decimal. Madaling malaman kapag ito ay fractions kasi meron itong fraction bar at ang decimals naman ay merong decimal point. Kaya alam ko, kayang-kaya nyo na ang ilang mga numbers. Good luck sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama nyo sa akin sa bidyong ito. Ating i-share o ibahagi ang ating video para makatulong naman tayo sa ilang mga batang tulad nyo. Maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam.